Python if not syntax. I'm a bit confused about how/why so many Python developers use if not in their conditional statements. For example, let's say we had a function. But why go about this way? I mean, wouldn't doing if bar not equal none or if bar is not none be more explicit? What does if not try to say?
Yes, if bar is not none is more explicit, and thus better, assuming it is indeed what you want. That's not always the case. There are subtle differences. If not bar column will execute if bar is any kind of zero or empty container or false. Many people do use not bar where they really do mean bar is not none.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.